What's the meaning of cerebrum? Cerebrum. Cerebrum.
Cerebrum. Cerebrum. The cerebrum is the largest and most complex part of the brain in vertebrate animals. It is responsible for voluntary movement, sensory perception, learning, memory, consciousness, and all other high-level cognitive functions. The cerebrum is divided into two hemispheres, and each hemisphere is divided into four lobes: frontal, parietal, temporal, and occipital. The cerebrum is supported by other structures in the brain, such as the thalamus and the basal ganglia, and it works together with these structures to coordinate various tasks and behaviors. Overall, the cerebrum is the main control center for thought, behavior, and emotion in animals with advanced nervous systems.